Welcome to Teacher Tips, videos to share good practice. In this video we're going to talk about hashtags and how you use them. So what is a hashtag? So I did a quick Google search and got up the dictionary definition, and we can see here what it is. So basically we use it to tag social media posts and categorize them, and also to search for things. And you can see here, using on Twitter, you can use it to identify specific messages on particular topics. So I'm going to show you next how you use them on Twitter. Okay, so we know what a hashtag is. So what does it look like on Twitter? So I've gone to the home page of Twitter as I've logged on, and if we have a look here, we've got an advert and they've put in some hashtags. So if you were to click on one of these hashtags, say recipe, it would then bring you up a list of all different tweets that have that hashtag. So if I was looking for recipes for dinner, perhaps maybe I put in the hashtag recipe, and then I can see what's coming up on Twitter. So basically it sifts through things, and you can also use it for branding as well. So let's go for a more FE related one. Let's go for Joy FE, which is a fantastic hashtag, and here we can see everything related to Joy FE. So it's a great way to enable people to search directly for your stuff. So for your subject, for your interests, for your topics, if you put a hashtag in front of it, it makes it a searchable topic and much easier to find feeds. One thing to note when searching for hashtags is you've got these options at the top. Oops, I've lost it, so let's just do it again. So I'm going into the search bar, I'm pressing hashtag, I'm putting in my topic or area of interest, I'm searching. Now we've got top, so these are the most popular tweets. So good to see that edition 4 of the Joy FE magazine is a popular one. But also if you want more timely, it's good to go to latest, and that will give you the most recent tweets with that topic. People, great for if you're starting to look for people to follow. So for example, if I do hashtag ESOL, it's going to bring up lots of people that are related to ESOL that would be good for me to follow, and good to see there that I'm following most of those people there. Okay, and then you've got the option for photos as well, which is great if you're just looking for images, or videos, which is great as well. So that's basically what a hashtag is. It helps you search and it helps you brand things and categorize things on Twitter. I hope that was useful. Thanks for watching.